spray detailer, like our classic Quik Detailer, Ultimate Quik Detailer, or even our hybrid ceramic detailer, are all maintenance products and are designed to act as a lubricant when removing dust, fingerprints, or light contaminants. Each one has their own unique characteristics, but they can all be referred to as the missing link between washing and waxing. Spray waxes, on the other hand, are a quick and easy way to add extra protection to your paint finish and are used on clean and dry paint surfaces. Sometimes referred to as a booster wax, spray waxes are a great way to add a little extra protection over the top of your favorite liquid or paste when time is limited.